Hey, what's up everybody? Here Ivan, gonna do this quick video. New business, new project that I've been working for a couple months. Is how to get a 10K day campaign the easiest way. It's gonna be a done for you campaign for CPA marketing and pay-per-call. 10X return on investment campaigns. So take notes. Let me show you how it works. These are the, read all this, people, read all this so you get, I'm just gonna show you how it works, but usually right here, they will give you more details right here. So this is the gold campaign package. It's all done for you. Just gotta invest. The price is 75K cash, wire transfer, and we're gonna split 50-50 commission of your 10x return on investment campaign. So you're gonna make 2,500 per day on CPA marketing campaign, traffic source, Google Ads and Bing Ads, small marketing sites. All the traffic is gonna go to your investment right here. So we're gonna split 50-50. It's gonna be, usually it's gonna be like 150K. So we're gonna split half and half. So you'll get 75K per month, and we'll get 75K per month. So I hope that makes sense if you get it. The same right here, 30K the price, different traffic source, campaign, pay-per-call, and split 50-50. And your potential return on investment is gonna be 150K. So titanium is 60K the price, and 300K return on investment. It's gonna be like 600, but we're gonna split 50-50. I'm be mentioning this because so you'll get the picture what I'm talking about. Is plus some free bonus, private coaching, one a month for a month, and strategies and everything. Today, if you wanna come to California and meet me, so I can do one campaign for you and everything. Yeah, I'm only gonna have limited spots available for this. So, like at my training site, I have limited spots available because I don't want to get exaggerated. My ninja tricks get exaggerated online is not gonna work later for us and my students or you guys too if you wanna learn. But yeah, if you're interested, just fill out this interest form and everything, or contact us support at doneforyoucampaigns.com, or text this here. So yeah, let me show you proof that it's working. We've been testing this for a couple months and it's working awesome. Documentation beats conversation, like my business partner says. It's true. So I don't want to keep you all of your time and my time. So it's very valuable, our time right now. So just read all this so you can get the picture and everything. And about this, my new project, new business. So this person joined. Yeah, this person joined at the 60K level, I think. Package, sorry. Alan James. So you're gonna get your own account. It's not gonna be your own account because usually I gotta create it for you. It's right here. Where is it? I'm gonna sorry. So I'm still sick from the California, what's it called? Fires. It's been crazy right here in California. My throat is sore, so you understand, let me know. Where is it? I got lost, sorry. Commission 10x situation. Yeah. You're gonna do a done for you campaign right here. Well, my team. All depends on the package. If it's the gold level, one of my team members, one of my students or team members will do that campaign for you. So you get a 10x return on investment. But yeah, let me check. Where's it? Test it. Okay, count. Yeah, build a new campaign for you, and we will cover the traffic cost for your total price cash investment. So it's everything's gonna be right here. The price is gonna be all on traffic. What are you investing? So I hope that makes sense. And okay, let me. This person joined at the Titanium, I think, like a week ago. So let me double check. I'm not sure. I think or 2 weeks. That's a lot of money for. Okay, let me double check. Because I think he joined. I don't even recall. Because he's a real estate investor that I knew on Facebook. And he told me that he was interested in my training. Course right here, CPA dash training. No, sorry, CPA papercraft.com. He was interested in purchasing my training, but I told him that I already closed my site for new members. So this is I still have it available, but only a few spots available for each package level. So just click right here on pricings, right here the site, cpa-papercraft.com, and he was interested in this one, but I told him I'm doing this, I've been testing this done for you campaigns for a couple months and it's working awesome. So if you're interested in this, let me know. I might have one spot available for one of these. If you don't have the funds for this. It's expensive, but this is mostly for entrepreneurs, action takers, investors. But if you're interested, let me know. I might have a spot available. One of my team members might contact you or me. But yeah, I might take this out. I don't know why. I just saw it right now. I'm gonna take this away. A new payment plan added. Layaway for people that didn't have the whole funds, like payment method or something. But I'm gonna take this out. Let me know this on this. So okay. Yeah, I'm still curious when this person, because there's a lot of commission that he's earning for a week. I think this person. Let me check on my account and let me pause the video because I don't like to share private stuff on my bank account. Okay. Hey, I'm back right here. Yeah, he deposited the funds on the 8th of November. 60K, the highest level. Yeah, 60K. So he's making already this in a week. Yeah, more than 10x. Maybe it will be more than 10x. So in a month, it's gonna be like, wow, 600 and something or 700, and we're gonna split half and half. So if he wants the second round, the second month, he has to pay again the 30. The 60K. Sorry. But if I have spots available, because if I don't have spots available, because this takes time. It takes time a lot. Split testing and this and that. Usually I'm doing this because I'm getting into the real estate business, investor, flipping homes. Right here in California, a lot of people are losing their homes, so I'm trying to buy them for cheap, and rent them for a cheap price too. So right here in California is crazy. A lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of people are renting like $1,500 for an apartment. It's like crazy. So I will rent them for $800 like before in the 90s or something. So yeah, and that's my plan for. That's my goal for 2020, the year 2020. And yes, yeah, I gotta take advantage of these pay-per-call networks, because right now I'm killing it, but later it might not work. So that's why I'm trying to invest on the real estate business. So later, all it's gonna be a passive income. We purchase a lot of homes, houses. It's just gonna be the owner, passive income. So I don't know, what's your goal for 2020? What's your goal? Everybody has different goals. Lose weight or eat more healthy or whatever. But yeah, that's why I'm doing this. I'm taking advantage of pay-per-call. On on CPA market, I've been doing it for a long time. I've been making money, but I'm taking advantage of this because they pay $200 or 800 per lead conversion. So that's awesome. So let me know if you're interested in done for your campaign. So yeah, email me or contact support or text me. And right here's the info. All right. Thanks for watching this quick video. Peace.